If you've ever thought your litter box could use its very own room, now you can put it in its very own house, the LitterHouse. The LitterHouse is a beautiful, fully enclosed litter box that adds warmth and charm to virtually any room in your home. The LitterHouse assembles in minutes with no tools required. A unique all-around lip reduces wasted litter and messy spills. A half-inch deep walkway collects litter from kitty's paws. And an odor-blocking charcoal filter fits conveniently in the chimney. Handles disguised as gable vents make litter box scooping simple. And reusing spilled litter has never been easier. Your LitterHouse order even includes 3 window sticker options: modern, hearts, and fun. The LitterHouse, a beautiful, fully enclosed litter box you'll be proud to own.